What is up, guys? Today I'm here playing Roblox. So, yeah, weird, right? Yeah. So, seven. I used it earlier, and now it's just okay. Now, okay, I know. Okay, today's a bit different because I know I'm doing a Roblox video on supposed to be Minecraft channel. Yeah, that's because I like Roblox too. And you may also not see me with a webcam. You may not. If you do, just don't mind that. I don't think you do though. So, I'm starting out as pro now because, well, this is my Roblox avatar right here. Starting up as a pro. Now, I think we're just gonna like role play around. Uh, don't know, but I'm gonna show you something. If you haven't redeemed this code yet, it's a roof. So the way to find this is come over here. If you can come in this red zone, good for you, because the only way to find this code is to come in the red zone. So roof, so you just put that in right here. Roof, redeem that. Yeah, you have already redeemed the code roof. So if you want to redeem that, go ahead. And so what right now I'm mainly going for is 250 tickets. So I can get a bee that I've been wanting for a long time. Let me go get him. Let me go see him. Oh, is that the vicious bee? Vicious bee somewhere? Vicious bee is here. Okay, I'm gonna fight the vicious bee with this guy. Hopefully the vicious bee doesn't get too mad that there's another guy fighting him. So, I think that guy died. Yep, he died. The guy died. So, yep. Oh, wait, did he? I'm confused. Did he die or? Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do with this. Whoa. I hit a spike but didn't get hurt somehow. Okay, tell me if I got hurt in the comments below. I have no idea. I'm probably gonna watch it again and be like, oh, I did get hurt. Why did I say that? So, yeah, I'm gonna leave it to you guys. And, so I only have 19,000 so far. Okay, if you don't know, I have 11,022,934. Yeah, except that 34 is grown into like a lot. Oh no, I'm standing right on. Ah, oh, what happened? I froze for a second there. Dude, that was not fair. I froze. Weird. How long is this vicious bee taking? Like, I need to go do something else, vicious bee. Get out of my way. Bees. The bees are good. Do not know what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so vicious bee almost just ran into the vicious bee. Ask me and that'd be bad. Oh man. Okay, that was close. That was close. Oh my god. I probably almost just died there. I'm lucky that I did not die there. Look at all this. Is this small field with a vicious bee in it? This is bad. Okay, if you don't know this, if you don't hear it, there's like thunder in the background. Yeah, right now there's a big storm going on where I am in this place. So there's like a big giant storm. This storm's been going on for a very long time. Yeah. Okay. So, don't know if, oh no. Phew, go. 1,000,000. 318. Okay, that guy's lucky. He must be like, oh, 1 million. Okay, maybe like 2 million. He might be very happy. What level was that? I forgot to check what level that was. Did I get any tickets? No. No. Ooh, ticket. I looked there, and then right above my screen was a ticket. Ooh, I got 3 tickets this time. Ooh. Can somebody give me like... Aw, I missed it. Oh well, you guys are still here. Can I kill you from being in here? Are you dead? Are you Mantis is dead? Oh, that guy is... Okay. There we go, there we go. Oh! That was a lot. If you don't know what I'm saying, I'm used to it, but still, that was a lot. Lot. Okay, got it. I got it. I'm just gonna... I want these guys to leave, so I'm just gonna say like I wanna have like a VIP server or something, but I'm not getting one. I forgot to get one. So say hello to YT, or if you are shy, you are able to leave. Pretty sure this is not gonna work, but bam. Here we go. I'm just gonna go up to people and say this. Say hello to YT. Just gonna say hello to YT or leave. Oh, this is not gonna work. What am I doing? How much do I need again? 250. I need so much more. Okay. Hope some people will leave. How much people are in this? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people are in this other than me. So I have to get 5 people to leave. Pretty sure I'm the best one in the game here, but what about Professor Poopy Pants? Yeah, if you didn't know, guys, here, look. If you go, like, I think it might be right here, but I have noticed that. I think it might be up here. But there's like a glitch where the wall just let you go through it. Somewhere over here. The wall just let you go through it. Okay, I'm gonna go outside of the map and show you guys. Where's the cannon? Cannon, right over here. So I'm gonna go to the cannon. Go on top. Of course, what is this? There's nothing there. Okay, so now I'm going to go down here, go here, and somehow it's gonna let me in. Just somehow. Just show me it. Where is it? Did they patch it? I think they might have patched it. Yeah, I think they patched it. Oh, well, if you guys knew the glitch, like the video so I know how much you guys knew the glitch. So, I'm just gonna go collect some honey and talk to you guys about a new channel coming up. Maybe a new channel. Yeah, those are the bees I want. Down there, I only have 200 something tickets so far, but I don't care. I'm still going for it. Now, how much tickets do I actually have, though? 226. Wow. Almost enough for something I want. Yay. Okay, now, phew. I'm still going. How do I get in there? I only have 103,000 pollen. I don't need that 103,000 pollen. You died, your bees must... Yeah, I know that. I think I know that. Landed in the ground, but I don't care. Oh, did you... I have no idea. What in the world am I doing? Do I want to look poor? No. No one looks so poor. Nobody. Well, guys, we can settle this. Or kill each other. Oh. I guess not then. Oh, you sad. Wait, do I have to heal bees now? Is that an update? Cause he just like... Okay, you know what, guys? I'm gonna go show you something. Something I want to show you. Look at him. Yeah, I can actually defeat him. Her or he, I don't know. All you gotta do is just go around. Just like go around. If you have speed, if you're like not, I don't want to call new, but like a beginner of the game, and you soggy baby in the clover field. Okay, this is bad. This is really, really bad. This is bad. Please tell me she's almost dead. Yes, she was almost dead. Okay, I didn't mean to catch a spike. I did not mean to catch a spike. Yay, now I gotta get out and fight him. Oh, so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. Alright, I'm here now. What level is it? Level 2? Aww. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead. I wish it were a higher level. I'd get more honey out of it. Although I'm not even collecting any of it. Still, I want more. Tunnel bear, hall bear. Why do they call them hall or tunnel bear? What? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, I don't know. I forgot what it's called. I just got... Okay, this is insane. I'm gonna die soon. Yay! Only 169,000 honey, but I'll take it. Get on top of the clock. Yeah, get on top of the clock. Okay. Shout at the... Nope. Have I achieved your quest? Your Majesty? I don't know. But Honeybee stares deeply into your eyes and is trying to tell you something, that it won't be here long, just until the next update. And if you complete its quest, the boost conversion. It smells an agreement. It can sense that you understand. Honeybee's honey hunt. Ooh. Honeybee's honey hunt. Wait, is it the top one? Oh, collect 1,000 honey tokens. Sounds not that easy, because it's not. Do I have anything? Wait, what? Bamboo field? Um, okay. That's 25 billion now. That's a lot. Just for the, what's this? Strawberry field pollen? 500,000 more? Okay. Easy. 500,000 more is easy. Easy, easy. Okay. Oh, I'm not even playing Roblox. Yay, 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 yay. I'm still going. Clover, wait. This is Clover Badge, right? Strawberry field pollen. Yeah, there we go. Don't know why I was saying. Oh! Yeah, I know why I was saying that. Now, oh. Whoa, look at all this honey we just got. Whoa. You might see my mouse. It's like clicking, clicking. Oh, guys, do you like it? I got the golden rake, and it actually gives me a lot more than I thought. You know what, actually? I gotta go get something for this that boosts your red pollen. Oh. So it's in here. Here we go. Yes, this. Deletion. So I have that now. Now all I gotta do is go back to the field and then just collect more honey. So I'm here now, just collecting honey. Ooh, ignore me quick. Look, I already have 244,000. 200. Okay, look at that if you want. Just keep looking at that. 203,000 already. I'm just going crazy here. No idea what I'm doing. I'm just going crazy. Crazy. Just 200 more pollen to go. Yeah, 200 more pollen to go. And then we'll be there. Bees, help. Help me, bees. My bees are helping now. It's making me super fast. Okay, I gotta get 10 more tickets after this to buy that. I mean, not with real Robux, but in game. Yay! I'm getting a lot now. Okay. What I don't like is that it keeps switching like how you see it. That confuses me on how much honey more you have to get. Just 100 more honey. Pollen. Yeah, pollen. The honey right there is going slow. Still getting it, but it's going more slower than the pollen. Pollen's going fast. I didn't think that when this game started, it'd be that good, but after playing it for like 1 year, it's awesome. I've been playing this game for 1 year, if you don't know. But it might take you this long to get all this, unless you save up and be smart, like I mainly did. Ooh, yay. Is it complete yet? Complete. Press to collect. I'm gonna press that to collect it. Yay! How much? 4 more. Let's go get some 4 more tickets somehow. Let's go find 4 more tickets. Use a wealth clock in 38 minutes. Oh, great, I already used it. What about this? Welcome back. You ready for a new quest? Of course I am. Complete, and I'll give you a jar and a ticket. Check your quest menu to see your next task. Okay. Brown Bear Bamboo Field. So 200. Oh, I should have did that when I had that boost. I used a code earlier and it gave me a 3 times boost of the bamboo field. And it only took like 3 minutes to get to 200 in the bamboo field. And the bamboo field, it doesn't give you that much pollen. So yeah, that was rare, but I've only got 5,000 so far. Earlier, I was getting so much more than that. It's going faster though. It's actually going so much faster. But it would be just going like zoo, like that, like those times that you like are a pro but you just start a bear that you didn't notice ever, and it says like collect 1,000 pollen from the sunflower seed field. That's actually from an early time that I've actually done it, and he gave me just a couple of pollen. I don't know why I did it, but it was worth it because it didn't take any time. So yeah, 100 should be half of it. So I'm almost at 100 there. And I need a ticket. That's all I need. That's all I need. He said he'll give me a ticket, so I need tickets. I need tickets. I need tickets. Oh, yeah. Yay. There we go, 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 there we go. 111. Ooh, ooh, yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, How long has this video been so far? Probably like very long. What time? It's almost been 30 minutes. Almost. I think it might. Yeah, it's almost been 30 minutes. And I don't think after I do this quest and maybe find like 3 more tickets, because he said pick it and not S after it. So after I find like 3 more tickets, I'm pretty sure I want to end this video. I think it's going to be a success when I do that, because I get to buy that bee, just take 50 pollen away from me. And yeah. There we go, 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 go. Ooh. Only just like 20 more, 10 more, 10 more thousands. Yay, complete. Talk to Brown Bear. He'll only give me like 1 ticket, right? Because he didn't put an S after it, so he'll only give me like 1 ticket too, right? He's got a ticket. Is that a pirate animation or a werewolf animation? I think that might be a pirate animation. Good job, here's here. Play it to be honeycomb and sell and transform into an. In 4 hours, you'll have another quest ready for you. I got 2 tickets actually. Oh, wait, it said 2 tickets. Okay. Now I only need 2 more, right? Yep, just 2 more tickets. Where am I gonna find 2 more tickets? Where in the world will I find 2 more tickets? I need 2 more tickets. Club. Oh, right, 36 more minutes. Didn't think it'll be that bad. Okay. I just need more tickets. I'm looking all around for tickets here. I could do the ant challenge. Try doing the ant challenge. Yeah, I could try doing the ant challenge. It'll probably. Oh. There we go, there we go, there we go. This is actually kind of hard doing the ant challenge. Oh. The ants. Ants got close to me. Did they already destroy that one? I think they did. Okay. Now just to get. Yay! Oh, these are flying ants. Oh, I thought they were like the ants with the constructions. Round 3 complete. Oh, more flying ants. The flying ants are not that hard because they don't usually. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! I almost just ran into the ants. Okay. Ooh, the big ant. There we go. The big ant's here. Ah! Ouch! 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 Okay, still collecting honey. Still collecting a lot of honey. Oh, 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 oh. Still going. The fire still hurts me. Jeez. So, still going. How much more? 13,000 out of 20. Okay, so that's 7 more thousand. It's another 7,000. Doesn't seem so hard, actually. Okay. So, come on, bees. Come on, bees. Come on, bees. Yeah, this is definitely gonna get me at least 2 tickets. Definitely. At least 2 tickets. 2 more minutes. So we're done if I survive. Okay, this is actually gonna be hard. Because when the lawnmowers start coming. Okay, there's the lawnmower. Just ran over an ant. No, it's there again. Oh. So, there we go again. Is it coming here again? Yep, it is. Trying to trick us, huh? Well, we're smart enough not to do that. Okay. Over there, finally. In the middle. Come on. Okay. So. Come on, come on. Don't freeze. Don't freeze. Oh, yeah, I definitely got hurt a lot there. Because I froze. Screens always freeze these days. It's not coming here. Maybe it is, yeah. Now it is. Now it is. Oh, it's coming. Oh, so close. Thank you, freezes. You actually saved my life. Ooh, second big ant. Oh, no. No. No tickets. So, I'm gonna keep the old one. Is this a diamond or silver? Keep old because I had the gold and wish I could get some tickets. Where in the world will I get tickets? I've ran out of ideas how to get tickets. This video should be called How Not to Get Tickets. Oh, someone forgot to replant the thingy. Ooh, I have no idea where to get tickets. Please just give me tickets. Blah. Okay, please give me tickets. I just need some tickets. Oh, here's a ticket. Oh. Is there no more tickets? No, just one more ticket and I'll have it. Please, just one more ticket. Yes. Okay, you guys up for the test? Guys look like it. Oh, guess I'm too big too. No ticket there. Not there. No ticket here, but there is some. No ticket there too. Yes, ticket. Yay! She's that like yay! Said it at the right time because I got the. That's when I. I'm just happy I got enough tickets. That now. Now I'm gonna have to go to the big channel place. I don't know why it came down. Okay. Okay. Open shop. Wait. Oh, right. This is an equipment. 60 for the spark staff. Yeah. 50,000 money. There we go. One eviction. Now, leave shop. First, I gotta go buy an egg of one of them. But which one should I get? That's the question. Which one should I get? So hard. So much harder of a question. He opened shop. $250 tickets. Defender of all things blue, excels in hives with many blue bees, has enhanced abilities when working with Crimson Bee. Many red bees. Okay, I'm gonna see or if I have the same amount, I'm just gonna pick. So how much red bees do I have? I'm actually gonna write it down. Paper right here. Yep, paper. Paper right here. Oops. I'm gonna write down so I have. Okay. Not that. I'm gonna go to bees. I'm not gonna look at the height because that's hard. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Wait, I'm just gonna put 6 because I don't have that bee anymore. Yeah, so now I'm gonna have to count the blue bees. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, just 5. Yeah, 5. It looks like I'm gonna have to buy the Crimson Bee because that's a better choice. I have more. I'm going to buy the Crimson Bee. Buy. Oh man, one Crimson Bee egg. Yeah. Now I gotta use an eviction. Now see what bee I can evict. What bee can I evict? I don't really want that. I don't really want the Rage Bee. It's cool Rage Bee. Wait, but I'm not taking. What about that bee? Like that bee doesn't do anything. I'm gonna evict that bee. Although he is and a good updated bee. Yes. Oh no, crimson egg. Looks like a normal one, but it's actually a crimson egg bee. New type discovered, crimson bee. Oh yeah. Where's my crimson bee, baby? Oh, there's my crimson bee. Right there. Yeah, I'm gonna, let me go to a red. Go to a red one. Oh, it's nighttime. Okay, guys. Well, I think today was a successful video, like most of them. So I think today, have a good day. Always subscribe. Turn on the notifications and never miss a video. Hope that you have a great day after watching this. And yeah, have a good day. Bye.